Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Ring plus Google for motion alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Ring app is installed and open on your device. Log into your Ring account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where your devices are listed. Select the Ring device for which you want to enable motion alerts. In the device settings, look for the option labeled Motion Settings. Tap on Motion Settings to access the motion detection features. Here, ensure that motion alerts are enabled for your device. Next, locate the section for integrating your Google account. Select the option to link your Google account for notifications. If prompted, log into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Make sure to allow notifications from the Ring app in your Google settings as well. Once your accounts are linked, return to the Ring app. Double-check that the motion alerts are properly configured. You can customize the frequency and type of alerts you wish to receive. After making adjustments, exit the settings and test the notification feature. Walk in front of your Ring device to trigger a motion alert. Check your Google notifications to confirm you received an alert. If you did not receive an alert, revisit the settings for any misconfigurations. Once everything is set up, you should now be receiving motion alerts via Google. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with your new setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.